panelists into the discussion. Let's start with Dr. Ajay Dua. Dr. Ajay Dua, what are the key takeaways according to you as per the budget that has been announced by Nirmala Sitharaman? It's a speech that she made for just short of 1.5 hours.
Thank you very much for having me in this discussion. I'm very happy that the Finance Minister, under the guidance of the Prime Minister, has been able to take a bold step this time and has revisited and responded positively to the demand of the biggest sector of the biggest segment of the economy, that means the middle class. And she's done that in her own style, very ingenuous style of making 2 or 3 broad announcements. Number one, she has raised the limits of exemption, gone up to the extent of 12 lakh rupees from the existing 7 lakhs. And so that while they continue to remain taxpayers, they would be not liable, a large number of people would not be liable to pay any tax, additional number from those in the income bracket of 7 to 12 lakhs. That means about 1 lakh of rupees in a year, per month. Second, for the rest of the middle class, she has lowered the incidence of taxation, and she does this by revisiting the slabs which had been fixed several years ago. So everybody in the middle class or even in the higher income bracket of 30 lakhs or 30% gets some relief or the other. Because the slab starts earlier, the 30% slab started from 20 lakh rupees, now it will start from 24 lakhs. So everybody in the taxpayers would get some concession or the other. And look at it, it hasn't cost the exchequer very highly 1 lakh crores out of 25 lakh crores, which is the rough tax revenue which comes to the government.
Yeah.
So about 4% of it, and yet she's been able to satisfy a large demand of a large section. Not only merely satisfy a demand, I see it in it the positiveness, because that particular bracket has a very high propensity to consume, spend the money, and spending of the money has been the call of the economists and the entire investor community, saying that there is not enough demand in the country, and hence we are not able to put money in the we are not able to put money in capital formation, even though we like to do it. So most of this concession which is given, 1 lakh rupees.
No, I didn't understand.
Extra in the
absolutely. Stay on with me, sir. I have